Hi everybody, welcome. So glad you took some time out of your day to spend it with me. I do unboxings, try-ons, reviews, and anything that sounds like fun. So today I have a RocksBox unboxing for you. I love RocksBox. It's a jewelry subscription. So you fill out a profile and based on that, you will have a stylist pick out jewelry for you. However, you can, and they encourage you to set up a wish list, and you can pick many pieces on that wish list, and they have tons and tons of jewelry for you to choose from. So many times your stylist will pick jewelry from your wish list, and you do get to preview your set prior to them sending it to you, and you can swap items out. So you're almost guaranteed to get jewelry you like. It's $21 a month as a rental fee. So you get the jewelry, you wear it for as long as you like. When you're done with it, you put it right back in this box, right back in the bag it came in. Free shipping both ways. They give you a label that'll be right inside here. Put it back on the bag and send it right back. And as soon as the label is scanned, they'll automatically get your next set ready for you and ship it right out to you. So you're constantly getting new jewelry anytime you want it. If you choose to keep anything, that $21 that you paid each month will get credited towards the item you choose to keep. If you keep all three items, you do get a discount. So I found that I usually keep one item out of each of my sets. So I will put my referral link down below in case you would like to give RocksBox a try, and you will get your first month for free. So let's dig in. I do have one sleepy sidekick with me today who was already ready to take his nap. You want to say hi to everybody, Wyatt? Did you guys hear that? He just had a sleepy sigh. Can you say hi to everybody? I hope you guys can hear him. He's still sighing. Say hi to everybody. Okay, Wyatt's gone down for a nap, so I guess we'll do this without him. All right, I love the presentation of RocksBox. So pretty. And if I remember correctly, I have earrings, a ring, and a necklace in here. So inside, this has a little price sheet with all your items. Looks like you can win something here. You get a little care card for your jewelry. This is my little bundle. Everything comes in a nice little jewelry pouch. And you do get a label. Oh, mine is stuck. Looks like part of the, we'll deal with that later. Part of the backing came off of it, but we will get to that in a bit. Okay. So, first up is a little Druzy necklace. It is in gold. It is called the Ava Rose Raleigh necklace in gold and navy Druzy. See if you guys can see this. But I think I first have to untangle it for you. I loved the color of this. It's a sapphire color. So I think that is so pretty. And it is $55. And it says it retails for $65. So let's see if I can get this on. I am struggling for some reason. Okay, got it. Apologize, I'm still sniffling. I had a cold a couple weeks ago. I think it's probably more than that now. Took medication. The worst is past, but for some reason, I still seem to have residual sniffling, which is making me crazy. Okay. I think that's pretty. I really like that. Okay, next is a ring. It is called the Slate Raven Ring in white Howlite, Howlite. $46. It says retail price is $55. You guys can see that. That's pretty. I like that. That's different. Yeah. A little closer. Okay. Last item. Earrings. And these are the Perry Street Phoebe Drops in Mother of Pearl. Those are pretty. Let's see what these look like. Oh, okay. I thought I broke it, but I didn't. It was just the little backing. Like, holy cow, I thought I broke it as soon as I opened it. I'm like, oh no, it broke. Okay. It did not break. It's just me. Those are cute. I'm always hesitant to wear big earrings sometimes when they're like big wide like this because I don't have a ton of hair, so I'm never sure if they're gonna look okay, but I think these are cute. Let's put on the second one. One nice and easy. They feel really nice. They're like nice and shiny, silky feeling. So I think those are cute. All right, that's all 3 pieces. So all 3 pieces would be $139. If I were to buy all 3, I would get a $10 discount. Sometimes they run specials, and you could keep these for several months if you wanted to. You would just pay the $21 each month. I tend to keep them about a month, decide what I like, and then I'll send them back and get something new, and usually pick one item and maybe pay the extra $20 to keep it, so that I don't lose my $21 a month fee, right? So, so $139 monthly credit, would $21 would come off of that, and if I kept all 3, it would be $10. So it would be around I have an extra forever credit too, from referrals from earlier. So I have a $58 credit. So for me to keep all 3, it would be $50, which isn't bad. But if I didn't have that forever credit, what would it be? It'd be about $100 then. $105, I think, for all 3 pieces. So yeah, I don't know. We'll have to see. I like to try the pieces out and see if I like them before I've already bought them. So I think it's nice. I like the time to be able to take. So because I have found that sometimes I like to try trendy pieces, and sometimes they're just not for me. So my last box, I tried the climber earrings, and that particular style didn't work for me because I couldn't get them to stay up. So I got to try them, and they didn't work for me. I sent them back. So I would need a different kind of climber earring if I was going to try that. So I do enjoy being able to try them out before I actually buy them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider hitting that like button. I would love it if you would also hit the subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. I so very much appreciate it. I will put that information down below if you'd like to give RocksBox a try or check out their website. I hope everyone has an amazing day. From me and my very sleepy sidekick, have an amazing day. Till next time, bye everybody.